like to draw this line you've crossed so many times. At this point I'm out of my mind. What's the point in loving someone morally confusing? It's not likely, it's so unlike me. I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. And I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold, or just say no? I know we can't pick and choose. I might just fall for you. It's not all win or lose, no black and white, there's color too. And I know how bad this sounds, but the silence is too damn loud. Guess you're not that bad. Did I say that? What's the point in loving someone morally confusing? It's not likely, it's so unlike me. I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. And I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand this. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold, or just say no? Should I say no? Should I say no? I can't say no. I can't say no. I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. And I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? I can't say no, I can't say no. I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I know I'm falling for the villain, and it's a really, really bad decision. And I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? I can't say no.